Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send money using the MoneyGram app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the MoneyGram app on your phone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once opened, log into your account or create one by following the prompts. On the home screen, select the person you want to send money to. If they're not in your contacts, tap the red plus sign at the top left to add a new contact. Enter their full name exactly as it appears on their ID. If unsure, ask them for a picture of their ID to avoid mistakes. After adding the contact, select their name and tap Send Money. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will convert it to the recipient's local currency automatically. Exchange rates may vary, and MoneyGram adds a margin to the rate. Next, select a delivery option like cash pickup or direct bank transfer. Each option will show an estimated delivery time and fees. Choose how to pay: debit card, credit card, or bank account. Credit card payments may have higher fees. Enter your payment details, ensuring the billing address matches the one linked to your card. Review the transaction details, confirm, and enter the verification code if prompted. Once confirmed, share the reference number with the recipient. They will need it, along with their ID, to pick up the money. So that's basically how you can send money using the MoneyGram app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.